This isn't just Belle. This is now Jingle Belle. She is in her Christmas outfit. Say, when I wear this, my name is Jingle Belle. Come on, let's walk around. Oh, you sound pretty. You sound pretty. Oh, Belle, you sound pretty. Hey, do you want a treat for being a good girl? What do you say? Where's your manners? Use your manners. No, use your manners. Use your manners. Give me a little jingle. One more. Use your manners. There you go. Good girl.